Our theater. This theater is so strong because we built it by just stacking layers of cardboard. And I mean a lot of cardboard. Hey! Why do you have me doing all this heavy lifting when I'm still in my gown? I'm going backstage to change. Oh yeah, that's right! This theater not only has seating for 18 dolls out front, because that's 3 rows of 3 on both sides, making 18, but it also has a backstage! Complete with sandbags, ropes, canister lights, a ladder, of course. I mean, how else are they going to be able to change out the canisters? You know, it's kind of hard to do this when you're not looking where your hands are actually going. I mean, how else are they supposed to change out the canister lights? Oh, yeah, well, I guess that's one way. But not everyone can fly, so my ladder is still pretty useful. Alright, well, maybe not for Baymax. Or Toothless. Oh, come on! Rainbow Dash too? Okay, so maybe the dolls don't need a ladder, but it's a very fun little detail. And in crafting, it's all about the details. Like using glitter paper for grip going down the stairs. And if the stairs get a little dusty, no worries, because we have a backstage broom to take care of that too. And it's cool because it actually works! Look at that! See, now we can brush up all the glitter that the grip on the stairs keeps leaving all over the place. I love glitter! Most of the time. I love the curtains. We used a crushed velvet because you can cut it and the edges won't fray, so that's always fun. There used to be railing right here, but that has kind of broken off over time. I mean, after 2 full household moves, that's all that's really broken, so I'm actually pretty happy with that. And I haven't taken the time to fix it just because I just haven't. And I'm scared to pull this off because I'm afraid, oh wait, I thought it would rip the paper, but it's already coming off. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it before I like destroy everything. And you know, I don't think I'm gonna put the railing back on because it's actually a little easier to play without it. But it was originally put here so that when the dolls are standing on the stairs, you can kind of lean them against the railing so that it could look like they're standing on the stairs by themselves. But it wasn't the most secure thing, so if I was to do it again, I would glue it farther down and more onto the cardboard so it would have more surface area to hang on to. But this theater is so much fun to play with. We originally made it to be the school theater for Sophie and Chloe's high school Frogwarts. I am a teapot, short and stout. Again, and this time with more feeling. I am a teapot, short and stout. School assemblies. Excuse me, I don't think this is the right book. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. It's not like I was gonna sign it anyway. You know, that kind of stuff. But now we kind of just use it for whatever we need. I think we've had award ceremonies, there's been a small school fashion show, so it's kind of like our theater for any theater-like stuff. But this is a great project. It is a large project, so space can become an issue. But it is definitely one of my faves. And we hope you have as much fun as we did. Okay, I'm ready to do the video. Sorry, Sophie, I'm pretty much done. What? Well, you did take forever. Well, being this fabulous takes time. But we hope you have as much fun as we did making your own doll theater. We want to give a shout out to Anita Padu. What's up?